This 2023 Grand Design Solitude 391DL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new Grand Design is 42 feet 5 inches in length and features 5 slideouts, sleeps 8, oven, leveling jacks, stove top burner, water heater, spare tire kit, LP detector, skylight, air conditioning, external shower, awning, and 81 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bath, front bedroom, front entertainment, kitchen island, loft, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment, rear kitchen, rear living area, 2 bedrooms, 2 full baths. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Solitude 391DL is 15,300 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.